Not quite. There you go.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, everybody.
We're gonna play a quick game.
I'm here with Matt Jones.
That's me.
And we're gonna play a little game. It's a fun story. I hung out with a porn star, Rebecca Moore. Look it up if you want to look up a porn star. Oh, now.
if for whatever reason.
Don't want to look at porn. Don't look it up.
So you played a game on a podcast recently.
So yeah, I devised one of the best games I've ever devised. I'm very proud of this, but I'm calling it Who Wants to Play a Game With Me by Tool or Sex Tool. Tool isn't really the right word, but it was just kind of like, one of them is to do with bikes, one of them is to do with the sex.
Which one is the correct one?
Yeah, I'm gonna listen.
Who knows? We'll find out. We'll see if I'm good at sex or good at bikes.
Yeah, you either say bike or you say sex.
I'm gonna fix the lighting in this. I'm gonna make us look more attractive.
Oh,
there we go.
I think it's gonna make it worse.
Oh, we look like aliens now. Is that better or worse?
I think you made it worse.
No, shit. Whoops.
Shining a light on your face doesn't make you look good. No, put it back where it was.
Okay. Right.
Are you ready, Matt
Yeah,
Jones?
let's do it. Let's find out if
All
I know
right,
anything
are you ready
about...
at home? Are you ready at home?
Yeah, you can play along if you want.
Chain whip.
Oh, God, because bikes have got chains. And, like, whips are sex. Come
on!
That one's bike.
Yes.
Okay.
Good lube.
Good lube. Is it good lube? Sorry?
It's called good lube.
Oh, bike.
Yeah, sex.
No, what? Okay, oh, sure.
Rim hole converter.
Ooh, I'd say if it was for porn, it'd be something to like stretch you out a bit, right? But I'm gonna say
bike or sex?
it's a bike tool.
It is bike.
Cool.
Foam fresh.
Sex
Bike.
tool. Oh,
Cantus uncut one.
that's a fucking sex one.
I love that one. Mimi soft.
Mimi. How's that spelt?
M-I.
Oh, that's a bike one.
Sex.
What? Okay.
It's a fucking
Do I have to? Oh, cool.
It's on most of these are from Ojoy Sex Toy, if anybody's interested. Happy Bottom Bum Butter.
Bike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, I'd like to add vegan.
Good to know.
Stronic Irons.
Stronic irons.
Yeah, S-T-R-O-N-I-C.
Sex.
Yes.
What do they do?
It's a kind of dildo.
Oh, okay.
Spreading tool.
So am I.
Spreading tool?
Bike. That seems too generic to be sex,
bike.
right? Like they brand it. But...
Liquid H2O natural lube.
Bike.
Sex.
That one seemed like you would trick me.
Yeah. Boom bottle.
Sex.
Bike.
What does that one do? Is that one just something you drink out
a
of?
Bottle.
Oh, right, okay.
Like a bike bottle.
It's like, I'm imagining now just a bottle of fucking Avian that's got like a different label on it now.
Rock ring.
Rock ring. Bike.
Yeah. Pure plug.
Sex.
Bike.
Fuck.
Form 5.
Form 5. Sex.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a hand kind of deal?
Yeah, it's like a dildo.
Right.
Most of them
Is it 5 dildos?
Or
Okay.
Nipple driver.
You've been down too long in the midnight sea. Fucking bike.
You know what a nipple is on a bike?
No, what is... Oh, no, it's the things on the...
That holds the spokes.
Sure.
That's called a nipple. So nipple driver.
Nipple driver.
Keep that in there.
It's my favourite, what's his face movie? Who gives a fuck?
Miracle Shine.
Bike.
Uber lube.
Bike.
Sex. Bio wet lube.
Bike.
Yeah. Flip.
It's also vegan. So.
Yeah, it's also vegan. Flip O.
Flip O. Sex.
Yeah. 1D glide lubricant.
Sex.
Yeah. Doxy diecast.
That's bike.
Sex.
Really? That sounds like something that you would use to...
That is a dildo. My favourite was
'cause it's
Rebecca was like,
right.
fucking sex. The minute I said Doxy, she was like, sex! And I was like, but Doxy diecast doesn't sound like a sex thing.
It sounds like something that you would use to glue something.
There's a lot of Doxies.
Huh.
Yeah. Doxy's like a brand. Patch and Ride.
Sex.
Bike.
Oh, boring.
It's weird.
Mm-hmm.
Patches for when you get a puncture.
Hmm.
It's, you know,
Oh, right.
yeah, it's
Blah.
bullshit. Yes, lube. Sex. Allen bolt.
That's a bike.
Yeah. It sounded like a fucking dildo.
Yeah.
I love my
Love to see Alan's bolt.
I love my Allen bolt. Put the Allen bolt in me.
Yeah.
Bolt me, Allen. Bendy boots.
Sex.
Salsa Sizomatic.
Ooh, that one's tough. Bike for that one.
Yeah, it is bike. Stem sizing tool.
Bike.
Yeah. Tenga AirTech.
That one's a sex one.
Rebecca didn't know what a Tenga.
Tenga, oh,
because I was
man.
like, oh, I know the minute I say Tenga,
Yeah,
you'll
you're
know
gonna-
what that is. And she was like, no, it's
Yeah,
a bike
just-
thing. And I was like, oh.
In future.
Surly Jethro tool.
Bike.
Chain condom.
Bike.
System J-O.
Oh, was I right about that one?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
System J-O all-in-one lube.
J-O?
System J-O
J-O.
all-in-one lube.
Sex.
Damn it!
Yeah.
Sportique Century Riding Cream.
Oh, that one's bike one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you put that on your nipples, right? Or is it on your thighs? What's the
Yeah,
deal?
I just like the phrase riding cream.
Yeah,
because that
it's good.
sounds like sex. Vespa.
That's just a bike, isn't it?
No, it's a sex.
But it's the scooter dealy.
It's a dildo.
Okay.
SRAM grease.
SRAM.
SRAM.
That sounds like the bad guy in Gears of War. Bike.
Yeah.
Grease.
SRAM's a
Grease
big
isn't very
brand.
sexy.
My cycling pals will know SRAM. But it sounds like a sex thing.
Grease
Thank you,
isn't.
everybody.
Yeah, thank you for
so
playing along
much
at home.
For playing Bike Tool, Sex Tool with me, your host and captain, Alex, and my stoker, Matches. Everybody have fun, bike and sex.
Have fun in the
Stuff,
kitchen.
Fun. And
Bye.
good luck in the kitchen.